Before I went out there and started building the book, I went on an interview and I remember they were going to give me a $30,000 salary. I had to be in the office at 9:30 in the morning. I had to go back to the office at 4:30 in the morning. They were going to macromanage the crap out of me. And I remember calling my wife when I came out of that interview, and I needed that salary. I needed that money. And I remember calling up and I go, babe, there's no way I'm going back to get a job. I'm going to start cold calling. I'm going to get back on the field, and this is what I'm going to do. And that's what I did. I struggled. It wasn't easy, but I'll tell you this much, within 30 to 60 days, I was back on my feet. I had internet back in my house. The lights weren't being turned off anymore. I have partners on my team right now that have been working with me for a year or 2 years. They've actually already told me that they've made more money working with me than any other company that they've worked with because of our compensation program and because of their great production. Our comp plan really rewards top producers. They have a good life and that they're able to go out and buy the boats, be able to buy the second homes, be able to take the family trips. Their wives don't have to work because they've created a nice sales organization or created a great book of business